Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about the risks of Forex trading, seeing risk in a different light and increasing the potential rewards on your trading account. Now, I'm going to be relating to one of my favourite investment books, which is the Zurich Axioms. If you've never read the book, go and get it. It's fantastic. It's a different view of speculating and investing. It doesn't have any conventional investment wisdom in it, which I think is a great thing, because conventional investment wisdom is the herd view, and the herd tend to lose money. So the risks of Forex trading, we know that it's risky, because if there's potential for reward, there must be the potential for risk as well. And you see a lot of people online who say, oh, Forex trading is heavily risky, it's gambling. It's not gambling at all. It's speculation, which means you can get the odds on your side. And the level of risk can be varied. So you can trade with no leverage, which is relatively low risk, or you can trade with leverage, which obviously increases the risk and increases the reward. Now, word of warning, you'll see a lot of brokers giving you 100 to 200 to 1 leverage. Don't take this sort of leverage. 10 to 1 is plenty, and you can make a lot of money with that leverage and keep the risks manageable. There's another huge amount of people online who say that you can trade in Forex markets with little or no risk. This isn't true, okay? And it's a speculation. You've got to see it for what it is. You can make money, you can lose money. Now, a lot of people, by their very nature, just fear risk. And, I find that kind of odd, really. If you want to make money in any sort of venture in life, you've got to take calculated risks. It's just the way it is. And the Zurich Axioms basically kicks off with, if you're not worried about your investment, you're not risking enough. And I actually totally agree with that. Most traders actually risk so little. The reward is going to be too small, and they've got their stop too close. So they've actually increased the risk of getting stopped out. You've got to play for meaningful stakes. If you're in it to make money, you've got to risk enough to gain enough. Now, conventional wisdom says you should risk 1 or 2% per trade. That is complete nonsense on small accounts. You won't make anything reasonable on that. You're best off to risk a dollar amount that you're comfortable with, okay, which isn't going to affect your lifestyle, but is going to give you a meaningful gain, and is give you a little bit of worry. Now, when I say worry, a lot of people will be thinking, yeah, that's totally wrong. I was reading Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, which is the great book by Jesse Livermore, an investment classic. And he said, I'd rather be worried than poor. Okay, he's right. Life is all about adventure and taking risk. If you want a peaceful life with no risk whatsoever, then you are never going to make any money. So you've got to embrace risk and enjoy the challenge. As long as you've got the skills and the strategy in place, it should be a challenge that you can accept. Now, one of the other things that I like about the Zurich Axioms is where they say avoid the lure of diversification. It's very true. You get traders who want to trade a spread of pairs because they think it reduces the risk. It doesn't reduce the risk at all. It depends on how right you are with your trading strategy. Now, many traders actually do this. They've got one trade they think is going to be a real winner, then they dilute their profit potential by diversifying with also round trades, and then end up losing. So I think you've got to basically focus just on high odds trades. Don't diversify, and basically, really focus on the trade. Be patient, wait for it to arrive, and then go for it. Now, a lot of people will say, and in terms of Forex, it's speculating, and that's kind of seen as a bad word. It's not investing. One thing I would say to anyone who's thinking of trading Forex is, think about it. What is the difference between investing and speculating? If you invest in stocks, you can lose money. If you invest in Forex, you can lose money. There is no real difference between investment and speculation. I know people call themselves investment advisors rather than speculation advisors. It sounds kind of more serious, but it's not. If you look at the Forex markets and see the reality of what they are, and you embrace risk rather than fear it, then you're going to make money. If you want a comfortable feeling and not to be exposed to risk, then you should never come near Forex trading. There's too many people come into Forex trading thinking that it can be made low risk or they can make guaranteed returns. They should stay away from Forex. You don't reduce the risk by risking 2% or basically diversifying. Come in with the right attitude and then you can win. The Zurich Axioms is all about embracing risk. You've got to take risks in life, and they should be enjoyed. It's a challenge. Forex trading is a challenge. So, go and get the book. It's really, really good. I probably can't do it justice in this video. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Thank you and have a good day.